Grace and Jeremy have honored us by allowing us to witness this very special event that will publicly confirm the commitment they have made to begin a new life together as husband and wife. This love is slow to lose patience. It looks for a way of being constructive. It's not possessive. It's neither anxious to impose, nor does it cherish inflated ideas of its own importance. This love is not proud, not rude, not self-seeking, not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongdoing. It always rejoices with the truth. May God richly bless these vows and commitments that you've made today. It's an honor to be here for you and with you. May God bless the vows and commitments, and may God walk with you every step of the way for the rest of your lives together. We pray that happiness will show up at your door. May it knock early, stay late, and leave the gift of God's peace, love, joy, and good health behind. Jeremy, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to announce, here are Mr. and Mrs. Jeremy and Grace Martin.